Are you looking for a car wash solution that's built for rough road, muddy seasons, and high volume demand? Introducing the Go&Go 4 to 9-seater automatic car wash system, purpose-built for emerging market where every wash must deliver both durability and precision. Unlike standard system made for urban climate, the Go&Go car wash is engineered specifically for challenging environment where vehicles face dust, red soil and heavy mud. This is not a one-size-fits-all solution. This is a localized innovation. Designed for mid-size vehicle from 4 to 9 seats, flexible wash circle ranging from 7 to 10 minutes depending on vehicle length. Built-in digital counter system to track daily wash volume, supporting performance analysis and growth planning. And here what makes Go&Go stand out. You can customize the system with premium options like undercarriage wash for full body cleaning, high pressure drying system to eliminate moisture spots, dedicated wheel brushes for deep cleaning alloy rims. This feature adds extras. They're part of a complete professional grade package. Let's talk numbers. Each wash consumes only $0.4 in electricity, water and chemical. The market price per wash from $3 to $5 depending on your country. That's a return of up to 10 times per vehicle, and with just 20 cars per day, you're already seeing strong profit. But Go&Go isn't just selling a machine. We're offering you a full-service car care business model. Want to grow beyond basic washing? The system is built to pair perfectly with add-on service like interior detailing, engine bay cleaning, nano or ceramic coating, paint correction and policing, even customer lunch experiences like coffee and accessory. This is how you turn one car wash into a car care center. And what about support? We provide on-site installation and training, access to the professional car detailing academy, business planning for both manual and automated setup. So whether you are a new investor or an experienced operator, we help you launch and scale with confidence. If you're ready to start or upgrade your car wash business, start with Go&Go. We are ready to demo the system at our production facility in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Others are delivered within 45 to 50 days, fully configured to your needs. Let Go&Go be your long-term partner in automatic car care. Contact us today to receive your full quotation, system layout and business roadmap. Go&Go 4 to 9-seater car wash system, engineered for Asia, ready for the world.